Crystal rituals for beginners. Crystal rituals are one of the oldest spiritual practices across ancient civilizations. From early healers to modern energy practitioners, crystals have been used as tools to activate intention, align inner energy, protect personal space, and enhance manifestation. For beginners, the world of crystals can feel mystical and sometimes confusing, but the truth is simple. Crystals are like energy partners. They store, amplify, and radiate vibrational frequencies that interact with your field. When you bring a crystal into a ritual, you are not creating magic outside of yourself. You are awakening the magic already within you. Every ritual becomes a bridge that connects your intention to the energetic frequency of the crystal, helping your thoughts transform into aligned action and manifestation. Stay till the end, because every part of this content will guide your understanding deeper. Like, subscribe, comment, and if you have perspective thoughts or questions, share them below. Understanding the purpose of crystal rituals. Crystal rituals for beginners begin with one principle: energy responds to intention. A ritual is not about complicated steps or memorizing traditions from dozens of cultures. A ritual is simply a moment when you pause normal life and consciously direct your energy. You use crystals as anchors. When you hold a crystal with intention, you activate a frequency within yourself. The ritual becomes a container where your mind, emotion, energy, and environment come into alignment. That alignment is the source of manifestation. Without intention, a ritual is just decoration. Without energy presence, a crystal is just a stone. But when you combine focus, breath, clarity, and the natural vibration of a crystal, something shifts. You feel grounded. You feel connected. You feel open to receiving. Beginners often underestimate how powerful a simple ritual can be. You do not need years of experience. You only need willingness, awareness, and consistency. How crystal energy interacts with human energetic fields. To understand why rituals work, you must understand how crystals interact with your energy. Human beings have an electromagnetic field that shifts according to thoughts, emotions, and intentions. Crystals also have their own stable vibrational frequency because of their molecular structure. Their atoms form repeating geometric patterns that allow them to hold steady energy. When your energetic field comes in contact with a crystal, your frequency responds. Fear, doubt, confusion, stress, and energetic blockages have chaotic patterns. Crystals have stable patterns. A ritual creates a moment where your energy entrains to the more harmonious frequency of the crystal. This is why people feel calm with amethyst, more confident with citrine, safer with black tourmaline, or more open-hearted with rose quartz. It is not imagination. It is resonance. The more intentional your ritual, the stronger the resonance becomes. Preparing yourself before starting any crystal ritual. Beginners often jump straight into steps, but preparation is equally important. A ritual is most effective when you enter with a clear internal state. Before touching any crystal, you should slow down your breath. Inhale deeply, pause, and exhale slowly. Breathe until your attention becomes grounded in the present moment. Then acknowledge what you truly want from the ritual. Ask yourself what intention you want to bring. Ask what you need emotionally, mentally, spiritually. The crystal does not respond to a confused mind. It responds to clarity. Then release any expectation about how the ritual should look or feel. Rituals are not performances. They are energetic alignments. When you prepare in this way, every crystal you hold becomes more powerful, and your ritual becomes more transformative. Creating a sacred space for crystal rituals. Every ritual benefits from a dedicated space. You do not need a large room or spiritual decor. What matters is energetic separation from regular activity. A sacred space is simply an area where your energy is undisturbed. It could be a corner of your room, a small table, your meditation mat, or your bedside space. Before the ritual, clear the area physically by removing clutter. Then clear it energetically. You can cleanse the space using sound, incense, herbs, or breath. When you exhale with intention, you push stagnant energy away. Place your crystals where they feel aligned. Allow natural light if possible. Dim light helps deepen intuitive awareness. A sacred space tells your mind that you are entering a different energetic state. It prepares your subconscious to receive and expand. When you create a space with intention, every ritual becomes more powerful because the energy of the environment is supporting you. Choosing the right crystals for ritual work. Beginners often ask which crystal is best for rituals. The answer depends on your intention. Different crystals hold different vibrations. You must understand what each type supports. Clear quartz is the master amplifier. It is effective for any ritual because it magnifies intention. Amethyst supports clarity, spiritual connection, and emotional balance. Rose quartz opens the heart and brings softness and healing. Citrine aligns with abundance, confidence, and personal power. Black tourmaline protects and absorbs negativity. Selenite purifies energy and raises vibration. Carnelian activates creativity, motivation, and courageous action. Green aventurine attracts growth and new opportunities. Labradorite strengthens intuition. Each crystal carries a signature. Choose based on what your ritual aims to shift. When your intention and crystal vibration match, the ritual becomes highly effective. Cleansing your crystals before ritual work. Crystals absorb energy. Before any ritual, cleanse your crystals so they start fresh. Cleansing resets their vibration. You can cleanse through sound, water-safe rinsing, incense, herbs, salt bowls, moonlight, sunlight, or intention alone. Sound cleansing is universal and safe for all crystals. A singing bowl or bell can release stuck energy. Smudging with herbs or incense clears emotional residue. A dry salt bowl absorbs negative energy. Moonlight softens and recharges crystals emotionally. Sunlight energizes and strengthens them. If you choose intention cleansing, hold the crystal and visualize white light moving through it. State clearly that you are resetting its energy. When you cleanse your crystals before a ritual, you ensure the frequency remains pure and aligned with your intention. Setting intention as the core of crystal rituals. Intention is the heart of every crystal ritual. Without intention, the ritual has no direction. Beginners sometimes worry whether their intention is correct. Clarity matters more than perfection. Your intention should be simple and aligned with your current emotional or energetic need. Instead of vague desires, use specific inner guidance. For example, instead of wanting general abundance, focus on stability, opportunities, or confidence. Instead of wanting healing, focus on releasing, forgiving, or restoring inner peace. Speak your intention aloud or mentally. Place your hands on your crystal as you state it. The energy of your words imprints into the crystal's vibration. This imprint becomes the anchor for the entire ritual. Every step after intention is simply reinforcing that energetic message. Ritual for grounding and emotional balance. A grounding ritual is essential for beginners because it stabilizes your energy. Choose a grounding crystal like black tourmaline, smoky quartz, or hematite. Sit comfortably. Hold the crystal in your hands or place it on your lower abdomen. Close your eyes and breathe deeply. Visualize your energy sinking through your body into the earth. Let the crystal pull away tension, anxiety, and emotional heaviness. Feel the weight of the crystal anchoring you. When you exhale, imagine your worries dissolving. When you inhale, imagine stability entering your body. Stay present for several minutes. This ritual strengthens emotional calmness and mental clarity. It teaches your nervous system to relax while your energy field becomes grounded. Ritual for cleansing and releasing stagnant energy. A cleansing ritual helps remove emotional residue and mental heaviness. Choose a crystal like selenite, clear quartz, or amethyst. Sit or stand comfortably. Move the crystal slowly around your body from head to toe, imagining a gentle energetic sweep removing stale energy. Visualize light surrounding your aura. You can breathe in light and exhale emotional blocks. Allow yourself to feel what is leaving your field. Sometimes you may experience tingles, warmth, or sudden calmness. The ritual is complete when your body feels lighter and your mind feels clearer. This ritual is important before starting any manifestation or healing work because it clears space for new energy to enter. Ritual for love, heart healing, and emotional softening. For heart healing, choose rose quartz or green aventurine. Hold the crystal near your heart and breathe deeply. With every breath, Imagine your heart opening gently. Visualize soft pink or green energy flowing into your chest. Acknowledge any emotional pain, disappointment, or past wounds. Do not force healing. Simply allow the crystal to hold space for your emotions. Speak your intention for healing, forgiveness, or emotional openness. Allow yourself to feel supported by the crystal's energy. Beginners often discover that heart rituals create deep emotional release. Tears, warmth, or softness are signs of alignment. The ritual strengthens your ability to give and receive emotional energy in a balanced way. Ritual for manifestation and abundance. For manifestation rituals, use citrine, pyrite, or clear quartz. Sit in a quiet space and write your intention or visualize it clearly. Hold your crystal and imagine your desire already fulfilled. Feel the emotion of receiving. Feel the confidence, the excitement, the gratitude. Visualization is the strongest tool in manifestation. The crystal amplifies this energy and sends it into your field. Imagine the crystal glowing brighter with every breath. Manifestation rituals work best when your emotion matches your intention. Consistency is key. Perform this ritual regularly until your desire manifests. Beginners often see small signs first. These signs confirm alignment. Ritual for protection and energetic shielding. Protection rituals are important when you feel drained, overwhelmed, or surrounded by negative environments. Use black tourmaline, obsidian, or smoky quartz. Hold the crystal and visualize a strong shield around your body. State that you are protected, grounded, and energetically safe. Imagine the crystal absorbing negativity like a sponge. You can place the crystal near entry points of your home, under your pillow, or in your pocket. Protection rituals strengthen your personal boundaries. They help you stay centered even when your environment is chaotic. Ritual for intuition and spiritual connection. To enhance intuition, use amethyst, labradorite, or lapis lazuli. Sit quietly with the crystal on your third eye area. Close your eyes and breathe. Visualize a stream of light connecting you to higher wisdom. Ask for clarity, guidance, or insight. Do not force visions or expect dramatic experiences. Intuition grows through calm awareness. The more you trust your inner voice, the stronger it becomes. This ritual aligns your energetic field with higher frequency consciousness. Over time, your intuition becomes sharper and more reliable. Ritual for sleep, peace, and restoring inner calm. For sleep rituals, use amethyst, selenite, or lepidolite. Place the crystal on your bedside or under your pillow. Before sleeping, hold the crystal and breathe deeply. Release stress from your mind and body. Visualize calm waves washing over you. State your intention for peaceful rest. Crystals help relax your nervous system and quiet your mind. Consistent sleep rituals improve emotional stability and mental clarity. How to close a ritual mindfully. A ritual should never end abruptly. When you finish, place your crystal down gently. Take a deep breath and express gratitude. Gratitude seals the energy of the ritual. It signals completion. Afterward, sit quietly for a moment and observe how your body feels. Do not rush back into daily chaos immediately. Integration is important. Allow the energy to settle into your field. Maintaining a consistent ritual practice. Beginners often think rituals must be long or complicated. In reality, consistency matters more than duration. Even a 5-minute ritual can shift energy if done with intention. You do not need to follow the same steps every day. You can choose rituals based on how you feel. As long as your intention is clear and your presence is honest, every ritual becomes powerful. Why crystal rituals work even for beginners. Crystals do not require spiritual expertise. They respond to energy naturally. Rituals work because they create focused emotional frequency. When you hold a crystal and direct your intention, the energy becomes structured. Energy follows direction. Manifestation follows alignment. Healing follows awareness. Protection follows boundaries. Love follows openness. Beginners often experience strong shifts because their energy field is less conditioned by expectations. The more naturally you flow into the ritual, the stronger the impact. Crystal rituals are accessible to everyone. They do not require perfection, long experience, or complex ceremonial knowledge. All you need is genuine presence, a crystal aligned with your intention, and a willingness to explore your inner world. Stay till the end of your practice, observe your shifts, and trust your growth. Like, subscribe, comment, and share your perspective or questions below so we can continue exploring deeper aspects of crystal energy together.